And we move on to a breaking news coming in right now. The families of 4 passengers killed in the June 12th crash of Air India Flight 171 have filed a lawsuit in Delaware Superior Court against Boeing and Honeywell, the manufacturer of the aircraft's fuel switches. The lawsuit alleges that the accident, which resulted in 260 fatalities, was caused by faulty fuel switches in the Boeing 787. The lawsuit comes after the U.S. Federal Aviation Administration, which is the FAA, stated that these switches do not appear to have caused the crash. Joining us now for more on this is India Today's Ahmed Bharadwaj. Ahmed, do tell us the details of this lawsuit.
Well, Anjali, this is the families of the 4 passengers who were killed in that unfortunate, ill-fated AI-171 craft in June, and what they have focused upon is the fact the AIB report, which indicated as to how the fuel control switches of AI-171, that is Boeing Dreamliner 787, had shifted from on position to cut-off position, which led to a situation where the fuel supply was cut, which led to the thrust of plane not being there. So they have set up their entire argument in this particular lawsuit on this particular AIB finding, saying that the Honeywell, which is the manufacturer of the fuel control switches, and the manufacturer of the Boeing 787 craft, which crashed in June, that is Boeing, they did nothing to avoid the this particular trouble with the fuel control switches, and it led to inadvertent situation where the fuel supply was cut off, and the craft met an that unfortunate ill-fated crash in the state of Gujarat, Ahmedabad, killing nearly 260 people there. So that's the basic argument right now, and they are accusing the Boeing as well as Honeywell, both of them, of not doing enough in order to alert the operators in this particular regard. Now we'll have to see as to how this particular legal lawsuit moves forward, because so far neither the AIB nor the FAA has put any direct responsibility on Boeing or Honeywell for that matter, and the complete report is expected to come by in the next couple of months. Back to you.
Right. Thank you, Ahmed, for those details. So a suit has been filed in Delaware by families of victims.